Hello everyone! I have here this notebook. Okay? This is from Office Warehouse Incorporation, manufactured by that company, located sa Barangay Bagong Bayan, Libis, Quezon City. It shows here Office Warehouse Record Book, 500 pages. As you can see, ito yung spine niya. Walang prints, pero napaka-sturdy. And ang kaibahan nito sa ibang notebooks natin before ay ito ay tahing-tahe. Imbes na may spring or imbes na ma-refill yan ito. At makikita naman dito, may print rin ito. Ito ay more parang paper. And dito ay cardboard. Plus, yung itsura ng pages niya ay ganito. Meron ditong space. May margin dito. We have margins dito sa side na to. Marami na rin tayong nasulat dito. I'm a secretary of a organization, kaya need natin ng ganito kalaking notebook. We still consider it a notebook. And dito, it's so useful talaga. And meron ding you can backtrack. Makikita mo yung date, kung kailan mo sinulat yung mga write-ups. And halos nakakalahati na natin. Thank you very much, Office Warehouse Incorporation.